So we're gonna be making mini pizza bagels. I just split that, and we're gonna put some pizzas. I don't know, maybe 9. Yeah, maybe 9. I think that's good. I don't care how much. Okay, now we wait. This is alright. Now I'm gonna put air fry. I think 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Then start. Now we wait.
A few moments later.
Okay. Now I gotta get a plate. Wait. Yeah, got a plate. Okay. Where is it? This is what I need. There. There's the last one. There. There we go. Now we're going to take this. And there we go. That's how we make bagel pizza, small bagel pizzas.